Want to personalize your Threads algorithm so your feed is better tailored to your interests? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to customize your Threads algorithm with the new Your Algo feature. Now let's get started. To customize your Threads algorithm, first ensure you've updated your Threads app to the newest available version. Then open Threads and tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Select Your Algo. This will open a menu with a text box where you can make algorithm adjustment requests. By default, your request will be for what you want to see more of, but if you tap Show Me More, you can change it to Show Me Less to tell Threads what you don't want to see in your feed. You can also choose how long you want this change to last: 1 day, 3 days, or 7 days. This gives you an opportunity to try out this change to your feed and see what you think. Type in whatever topic you want to see more or less of, then tap Add Request. Add up to 10 requests to customize your algorithm to your liking. Your feed will then be updated to reflect what you've requested. Once you've added at least one request, you'll see your list of past requests when you tap Your Algo. You can tap the 3 dots on a listed request to edit or delete it if you change your mind. That's all it takes to customize your Threads algorithm. Want to customize your Instagram algorithm? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.